welcome back to another vlog. I just got down to Roswell. We're getting some gas and shit right now. Today we have a town versus town event. It's like 4 or 5 towns with roughly 10 cars on each team versus one another at the track in Roswell. I'm not exactly sure what team I'm gonna be on yet, whether it's Roswell or Clovis, because I got confused because we didn't have enough people for the Clovis side to make a team of 10. I thought we needed at least 10 to compete. So when Roswell got down a car, I offered to race for them so that they would have a full team. And it turns out that our team with 6 to 8, I'm not sure how many we have for Clovis, we can still run with that many people, just certain people have to run twice. So we're about to go to the meetup spot and I'm gonna figure out what team I'm actually gonna be racing for. But either way, this should be a really good day. There's gonna be a lot of cars from all over, so stay tuned.
Can't stop, no fill ups, no cool downs. Pretty clear. Any questions? Let me know. You can check the cord, it's okay? Yep, good to go. As long as you got that 2018 sticker. Yep. Your current check now?
We're all at the mall still. We're about to take a cruise. We got like a 20-mile cruise to go to the track, and the cops are gonna block off streets and stuff for us so we can just roll on through. They said if you get pulled over or anything like that, you're out, or make any stops to cool off. So it should be a fun little cruise. Good view of the people behind us.
And Corvette here on the tower side. Good looking Corvette. Nathan Munson out of Clovis, New Mexico. Scoreboard. I know it's a little harder on spectators. They can't tell and I can't announce them just yet. But later in the afternoon we can do that. But earlier right now, they don't want their competitor to know how quick they're running. So that was the last of the Roswell cars. And puts down a good number. Look like Ruidoso. Both are. Once you start hooking up, let the power roll on as he starts down the track. Doesn't take much to realize he's moving pretty quick. Clovis, they're needing a spare tire to put on the car so they do keep. It was also
a fucking time we're having. Got my test runs in. First one was pretty decent, 13.068 I think is what it was. I was really hoping to get into the 11s, but with the DA and then us running like pretty much straight into like 15-mile-an-hour winds, it's not gonna be all that great. I did manage to cut a 1.960 foot. Last year the best I could do was like 2.1, so right there. I just ran around, did a lap because I just got some methanol from a friend, so it should definitely be better. I'm super nervous. The second test run I did, I missed second. I'm gonna try and get the GoPro on, but I always forget about it when I get up there. I just get super nervous during these type of events, especially since I'm running with another team and they're kind of relying on me. So yeah, that's all I got so far. It's been a crazy day. It's hot, it's windy, and race cars.
Yeah, it sounds good.
Looks like left lane. Looks like left. Alright, we're about to start the final round of town versus town. Hopefully I remember to turn this fucking thing on. I always forget when I'm getting up there. But as I'm in line number 9 and I'll be racing their slowest car, which I mean we only have one more car behind me and he gets a bye. So the winner of this wins the event. And because the DA I think was a little bit over 4,500 feet and it's 85 degrees and we're running. I showed you that headwind earlier. So the car can definitely do better. I'd like to take it down to the Hobbs track where the altitude is much lower on a cooler night to see what it would actually run instead of with all this heat soak and junk. But I'm not upset. The car cut a 1.19 so far today, so I mean that's a win for me. I'm happy. This is my autocross car and I'm just having fun with it. So I'm going to go watch these races now.
keep it up. We'll give you an official count as soon as we talk to the
Well guys, yesterday was an amazing day. Had a lot of freaking fun. The Roswell team won, obviously, so that was pretty sweet. It's the first time in the 3 years they've been doing this event that they've won, so that's real cool, and I was glad to, you know, really be a part of the team and that we won. Didn't do as well on the track that I thought I would do, but then again, the DA was ridiculously high, and then, you know, we had the headwinds, and then we started early-ish, like probably around noon, and I had my best run of the day, which was my first test pass, and then it got hotter and hotter and hotter throughout the day, along with the winds got higher. So as temps went up, my run times went down. So later here, probably the next couple weeks or a month or so, I'm gonna try and make it down to Hobbs with a couple of the guys from here and see what it'll do at the lower altitude with more E85 and way cooler temps. So look out for a solid runtime at that point. But now that I know that I can semi-launch the car compared to last year, where it, like all the electronic bullshit wouldn't allow me like at all, it would just be bogged no matter what. So launches were pretty decent, and I got a 60 foot that is relatively okay for my platform of car having a manual. So I'm not upset. It was a good day. Having seat time like that, you can't really argue with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to the channel and hit that like button down there. Once again, shout out to my lady, you can't see right now, who recorded the majority of this video. You can kind of tell the ones that I recorded because I'm all shaky and retarded because I had nowhere to stand or anything just yet, but she did really well. I'm really proud of the way these videos came out, and just an overall amazing experience yesterday. So yep, make sure to subscribe, like, and I'll catch you on the flip-flop.